Hello everyone. So today I am quickly trying to do all my jobs, so hopefully it frees me up for the rest of the week. It's my daughter's 5th birthday on Thursday, so I'm just, and I'm just going to load the dishwasher in, and I've run out of the powder that I wasn't really that happy with anyway because I bought it from the shops. So I'm like, you know what, stop being so lazy and get back onto the DIY version. This is literally how quick and easy it is. You need baking soda, which is bicarb. You need electric washing soda. That is in the cleaning aisle, near all the soaps, like the Sard soap, the pure soap. It's in there. It's really cheap and easy to get. You need salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And you need citric acid. I got this from a bulk soap supplier, so it gives me the ability to make bigger batches. I'm using an old Makona glass jar. I just literally leave that under the sink, and you just need a tablespoon per wash. I will also show you how quick and easy it is to make your own rinse aid, and I promise you will see a difference with how clean your dishwasher is. You will never ever have to clean it with those extra things that I used to have to buy to clean, because it wasn't really cleaning it anyway. So I've found since changing to all of this, I'm saving money. My dishwasher is actually cleaner, and I'm not coating my cutlery or my plates and cups with chemicals. So I've got my Thermomix bowl ready to go. The standard recipe calls for 1 cup of baking soda. I want to make a double batch, so I don't have to do this again anytime soon. So one cup. There's 2 cups. Okay, so I just want to show you something. I got this. My friend got me this from Costco. It is ginormous.
Sure, absolutely. A ham. Okay, here I go. A ham. Hang on, let me just clear my... Gosh.
Close, Siri. Stop, Siri. Stop. That was weird. Anyway. It is 6 kilos, and I think it was about $8. It was really cheap. So if you know anyone with a Costco membership, get it from there. The washing soda, you need half a cup. So I'm just giving you the standard recipe. You just need half a cup of the washing soda. I am going to put in 1 cup because I'm doing it. Does anyone ever set out to double a recipe, double the first couple of ingredients, and then forget to do the rest? I hope I'm not the only one that does that. Okay. Oops. Doesn't matter that there's extra. Okay, that's all in there. So we also need half a cup of salt. That in there. Please don't come flying out. It's all hard. There's half. All the bulk, like your sacks of salts and that. I only learnt when I was first making this recipe. That they put in anti-caking agents and all this other stuff in it. Look, it's salt. Seriously. Just give me salt. So I don't buy that anymore. Okay, so citric acid, it needs 1/4 cup. There's 1. And there's 2. That's done. I'm done. So that's half full. It's roughly about there. So that's a good chunk. So now comes the important bit, the degreasing smell nice bit. I'm going to put lemon in. You can do grapefruit. You can do wild orange, tangerine, any kind of citrus. Lemon is your cheapest. Go with that. You could put lime in as well. The recipe, the single recipe called for 20 drops. So, I'll just put it in until it smells nice. So, a 15ml bottle has about 250 drops, roughly. I think it has more, but they're conservative in their estimates. So if you got one 15ml bottle of lemon and only, like you can use it for way more things than this, but only used it for the dishwasher powder, and you put 20 drops in per batch, and a batch lasts quite a long time. Like if you imagine a tablespoon per load, it lasts quite a long time. How many batches is that? That's like, here we go, my maths, brain, switch on. That is about 11 or 12 batches. Is that right? Someone correct me if I'm wrong. And for a $14 bottle of oil and no chemicals, I think that is just priceless. Okay, so I've done that. Let me put my bowl into position. It just says to whiz it up, so just give me a sec, or 7. Or 12. Okay, and that's it. We're done. I have just made my own dishwashing powder. Let me flip you around. How do I do that? There we go. Look, done. It smells divine. So I cant that into my Moccona coffee jar, and that will be us probably for a good couple of months. And I don't know exactly how much that would have cost, but it wouldn't have cost, I don't think that would have cost any more than $5. No more than that. Maybe a little bit more. $6. But it would not be much more if it did cost more. Anyway, so what I want to show you now, quickly, rinse aid. You can also use this with your clothes instead of using the fabric softener. So I get these giant things of vinegar. Again, Costco has these, like, I think it's like 3 or 4 litres, maybe more. No, maybe like 6 or 8 litre white vinegar things for about $3. So if you can go to Costco, get white vinegar and bicarb. So this is specifically for under our sink. I've just got it. It's brand new. I've just opened it. This is going to be my rinse aid. So I've got my wild orange, just to be a bit different. I've got lemon in my washing powder, wild orange in my rinse aid. So I'm just going to do this. Put about 10 to 12 drops in there. If I find, I can't really smell it when I'm pouring it in, I'll add more. That is the good thing about doing it yourself. You can make it however strong or weak you like. Just give it a good shake and then pour it in. Works really, really well. So I hope I've helped you today. I'm going to do a post on the recipe in writing as well. So if you don't already, follow my page. Go check it out. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.